Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright boys, we're getting right into the Banshee today. I ordered some new foot guards, like the OEM style ones, but they look cleaner because they're the silver, the OEM frame color silver. So, it's wrong side, but you get the point. We're going to throw that puppy on and it's going to look a whole lot better. So, these are the ones off Juan's old bike, or not Juan's old bike, but the current bike. And they're just rusty, they're OEM, I'm pretty sure, or they might be actually knocked. Kind of look a little cheapy on the plastic. It's all cracked off here. I got it zip tied on and everything of the sort. So we're gonna get this baby in there now. Alright, so that's what she's looking like with the new ones on there. Way cleaner. But the only thing is these don't fit the best, to be honest. Like, it was hard to get it onto the actual frame support mount. This mount right here, that's exactly what happens when you don't buy genuine OEM parts. More noticeable, but it definitely looks clean, that's for sure. So I want to buy a full plastic kit for this Banshee right here, putting these ones on this bike and putting the brand new set on here, just because I want this bike just staying like brand new clean OEM looking. Put full plastic kit on this one instead of having the trimmed fenders, because I really don't like the trimmed fenders look. Also got some brand new grip pieces to throw on to the Banshee, because this one was all chewed up on the end, and I actually took this other grip to use on my stroker. Cascade everything over here. Cascade. Me. What brand is this one? Does anyone know? Oh man, it does have a Pro Design water pump, so it probably has the billet impeller then. Wow, dude, these are on there right now. Look at all that milk. Chocolate milk down there, boys. Sheesh. Got some chocolate milk. Sheesh. Alright, so like I said, I think this is where he was leaking out of. I think this gasket right here. Oh, it's all dirty back there too, though. Look at that thing, dude. That's right here where the back of the water pump, and I think that's where he was leaking from. Definitely think that's where it's coming through. It's bad back there. But I'm probably gonna go ahead and get a new clutch while I'm in here too, because this one got covered in coolant then. I just don't want to have anything like slipping. And then I'm also gonna pull this head off and look at what domes are in here too. I've definitely found some problems with this bike now on this clutch case area. So not only did I realize how bad this seal was, now of course my clutch is completely covered in coolant. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and order a new clutch kit, new plates and everything like that. Looking further into it on the clutch case, I went ahead and pulled the impeller for the water pump out. If you're looking at it going this way, and this is coming through at the rubber seal before the actual bearing, this rubber seal right here. So I don't know if you can see it that well on camera. Probably can't see it that well, but inside that seal there's a little spring. I'm spinning, so you see that deep groove. This is supposed to be smooth. Look at that, it's all chewed up. Go ahead and order new clutch case, gasket, new impeller, which probably is going to come with the bearing and the actual seal itself, new water pump gasket, and new clutch disc, and then we're going to have to get back to work on the Banshee. Alright, I'm upset because I was hoping to finish this video with actually putting the side case back on and all the new seals and everything like that, but I've just been sitting on this video too long and I keep getting held up on parts. So I ordered a week ago like a Wiseco clutch kit for this thing, and I just looked at my emails today and realized that the order updated to back ordered, and it wasn't back ordered when I ordered it, so I was upset about that. So I went with the Mac Daddy clutch, some discs that I'll be putting in shortly, but they shipped today, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this clutch off. But other than that, I did receive a bunch of parts. I think this is probably my clutch case gasket, brand new OEM water neck for back there, just because I figured why not. It was almost cheaper just to buy it with a kit with the O-rings than buying these separately. So got Yamaha piece, new impeller, that you guys can now see how bad it was. Look at the grooves on this one from that bad seal. That is crucial. So new one, old one, crucial. Banshee is ready to get thrown back together. This is all moped parts right here. A lot of moped stuff going on lately, but I need to get this Banshee good. So I'm probably pulling off the head today. I'm scared a little bit about that one strip bolt that I found right here in the head. So I guess we'll see more about that right now. Just took the old water neck out and about to put the new one in there. Genuine, baby. I pulled off the head, and I'm pretty sure I did not even show you guys, but I have the 19 domes in here. I might change the domes just to keep it more of like a basic bike and not have such high compression, so we'll see. But she looks good in there. The cylinders look good. So alright, so I just went in here and popped out the seal and the bearing out of the case, and then also the clutch just showed up right here from Mac Daddy Racing for the Banshee piece. So I'm about to take these clutch plates out, soak them in some oil, and then later on tonight we'll come back and throw the clutch in and everything like that. I can go ahead and pop in this bearing and this seal for the meantime in the clutch case, and we'll let that clutch soak up. Alright, got the bearing, fresh out the freezer. It's easier to freeze bearings, it pops in easier. Look at that, almost directly in. I had to use some kitchen gloves because I don't have any garage gloves right now. As you can tell, we had the clutch kit in here soaking in oil over. I don't want to explain completely how to put this together because this isn't a how-to, but basically we're going friction plate first, and then you have to, with the steel plates, pretty much go every 60 degrees and make sure they're all facing the same way. We're gonna throw it together, boys. That's what we're here for. We're here to throw it together. Also got brand new clutch springs with this kit too, so I'm gonna put those jointies in too. We scraped also the head clean of the old gasket and the case, and yep. See it, OEM Yamaha piece. Everything done in the case with the clips on. Water pump still exposed on this side. Water pump's all in there and sealed up. Sheesh! Banshee's back together, back and sealed, chromed out as always. So like I said, now we're waiting on the domes. I went ahead and ordered 21cc domes. I was running 19s before. 19s are kind of pushing the limit on whether you're going to be running race gas or regular pump gas. It's a little bit higher compression that wants to go, so I figured I'm just going to go 21cc's and just call it a day and just have it more of like a reliable bike. 19cc domes, Dunzoed, and 21cc domes on their way. So once we get those domes in, throw the domes in, clean the carbs, the bike should be fired up and happy with how it's running. So other than that, that's going to do it for this video. Next time I probably will be throwing the domes in, and I'll probably check the reeds before we throw the carbs back in on this thing too. Other than that, this bike's going to be all types of freshened up. So just got to figure out the wiring and some other little things, but motor wise this bike should be happy and running next time we see it. So that's going to do it for this one, boys. Make sure you guys check out the description below and stay tuned for some exclusive Banshee merch that's going to be dropping really soon once we hit 50k subscribers. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.